Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the very first message in a chat on Instagram. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Okay, so once you're on Instagram, tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner to open your direct messages. And now, select the chat that you wanted to see the first message of. This can be with a friend, a group chat, or anyone you have messaged on Instagram. Okay, so now here's the trick. Instead of manually scrolling all the way up, which can take a long time, especially for long conversations, there's a faster way. If you are using an iPhone, tap at the very top of your screen near the notch. This will scroll the chat up quickly. Repeat this until you reach the first message. For Android users, there's no exact tap to scroll feature, but you can still find the very first message on your Instagram chat. Okay, so for that, what you have to do is to simply tap on the username of your friend. And here you will see option of search. Simply tap on it. Simply type the very first message you have sent to your friend. This method is for both Android and iOS users. And here you can see that I have found the message that I have sent to my friend. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly find the first message in any Instagram chat. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.